So hello students, this is Pawan sir. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Live. This is my third video and this is very important video because I have included 5 lessons all from organic, that is haloalkane arene, alcohol phenol ether, aldehyde ketone carboxylate amine and biomolecules. There are totally 50 questions that I have selected and I wish that there must be some question from these questions. Let's get started. Assertion: iodoalkane undergoes nucleophilic substitution more readily than bromoalkane. Reason: iodine is a better leaving group due to its larger size, which makes the covalent bond weaker. Now in this case, beta, both are correct and we will put A. Then second case, assertion: SN2 mechanism leads to racemization. Now racemization undergo by SN1. This is SN2 over here. Okay, so this is wrong. So D. Assertion: haloalkane reacts with KCN to form cyanoalkane. Reason: KCN completely ionized in the solution. So both are correct because KCN get dissociated into K plus and Cn minus. Fourth assertion: chlorobenzene is less polar than chloromethane. Reason: chlorobenzene has a longer CCl bond due to resonance. Now this you can see, due to resonance the CCl bond become double bond. So option is C. Now fifth assertion: presence of nitro group at ortho or para position makes nucleophilic substitution chlorobenzene easy. Correct, due to resonance. Now next, nitro group donates electron. Wrong. So C, because nitrogen attract due to minus I effect group. Now sixth one, assertion: chloroform must be stored in darker bottle. Correct. Chloroform reacts with air to form phosgene. Now both are correct, but this is not the complete. Okay. Now it react with air and moisture. Okay. Air and light. Okay. So B. It is not up to appropriate answer, but it can be say that it is one of the reason of making colored bottle, but dark color means phosgene, but basically dark color bottle and up to brim, this is the main reason. Assertion: chlorobutane has lower boiling point than 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. Okay, so this is because the intermolecular force in a straight chain compound are stronger than branch. Correct, both are correct because with increased branching the surface area decreases, so boiling point decreases. Now coming to 8th question, benzyl chloride undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with SN1. Correct, benzyl carbocation is formed. Benzyl carbocation is resonance stabilized, so both are correct, so A. Now 9th, haloalkane are only sparingly soluble in water. Correct. Haloalkanes cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Both are correct, but this is not the correct explanation. So it will be B. Okay, I'll send all the answers. See, I'm writing the answer along with, so I'll give you the time to take the screenshot once the video get finished. Okay, now coming to 10th question, assertion: propene react with HBr to form 2-bromopropane. Reason: the intermediate carbocation form will be secondary since it is more stable than primary carbocation, so it is correct. Now assertion: phenol are more acidic than aliphatic alcohol. Reason: the phenoxide ion is more stabilized than alkoxide ion. Now this is correct, A. Both are correct. Next, tertiary alcohol gets converted into alkene instead of carbonyl compound in the presence of heated metallic copper. Reason: tertiary alcohol prefer to undergo dehydrogenation instead of dehydration in presence of heated copper. Now when you see into this, you will see that assertion is totally correct, but reason is wrong, so you will say C. 13, assertion: ethers are non-polar when they are symmetrical. Reason: ethers have band structure. Now when come to 13, see, assertion is totally wrong. Ethers are non-polar, ethers are polar. Okay, so D. 14, N-butanol. N means normal butanol. N-butanol has higher boiling point than 2-methyl-propane-2-ol. Correct, because N-butanol is a straight chain. Branching increase the strength of. Wrong, so it is C. 15, assertion: it is not possible to prepare anisole from chlorobenzene. Okay, through Williamson synthesis. Correct. CCl bond in chlorobenzene show the partial bond character. Both are correct and option will be A. Now coming to 16th question. In 16, nitrophenol has lower pKa than phenol. Lower pKa means more acidic. Yes, it is more acidic because nitro group is minus I effect group. The electron withdrawing nature of nitro group further destabilizes phenoxide ion form. Correct. So A. 17, assertion: anisole react with HI to give phenol. Correct. And reason is phenol and chloromethane. Reason is the OCH3 group in anisole enrich the electron density at the ring. No. See, both are correct. This enriched, but this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is due to resonance. Okay, so you will put right B. Next, 18. In 18, as such, it is not possible to purify alcohol beyond 95% purity by distillation. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol increases the boiling point of 95% of alcohol. See, as such is totally correct, but reason is totally wrong. So C. It is not intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol increases the boiling point of 95% alcohol. Okay. Basically, it undergo your forming azeotrope kind. Next assertion, 19 question. Ethanol can be distinguished from methanol using iodoform test. Ethanol has methyl group attached to a carbon containing hydroxyl group. Now both are correct. Coming on to next. Now assertion, methanol is called wood spit. Correct. Reason, methanol can be prepared by distillation of fresh wood. Both are correct. So A. Next, 21 assertion, carboxylic acid do not show properties of carbonyl group. Correct. The CO group of in carboxylic group undergo resonance with OH group. Correct. That's why it is showing a double bond character which cannot be break. Okay. Next, 22 assertion, chloroacetic acid has higher pKa than acetic acid. Reason, the minus I fed group of Cl further stabilize the carboxylate anion formed by the loss of proton. Now in this case, assertion is totally wrong. These are high pK. Chloroacid has low pK because chloroacetic acid is strong acid. Your Cl is minus I fed. Now 23rd. In 23rd, the assertion is benzaldehyde resists nucleophilic addition in comparison with ethanol. Okay, it's correct. The reason, the phenyl group in benzaldehyde is too bulky and therefore prevent attack of assertion is correct, reason is false. So you will put C. Next, 24. Assertion, aldehyde undergoes aldol condensation only if it has alpha hydrogen. Correct. The alpha hydrogen in aldehyde are acidic nature because the anion formed by the loss of alpha hydrogen is resonance hybridized. Both are correct. So A. Now coming to 25th. 25th is ketone have low boiling point compared to corresponding alcohol. Ketone form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with alcohol. Both are correct, but B is not. But reason is not the correct expression. So you write B. Okay. Now coming on to 26. Carboxylic acid have greater boiling point than alcohol. Correct. Carboxylic acid have ability to form dimer in the solution. Now both are correct. Okay. Because ability. Basically the complete answer is, this is also correct, dimer formation, but the reason is carboxylic acid undergo intermolecular hydrogen bonding resulting dimer formation. So you will put B. Okay. So keep it in mind that once you have to read question twice. Okay. Next 27. 27 in 27 question. He is saying in assertion, dry HCl is must for the reaction of aldehyde with alcohol to form hemiacetal. Correct, because it gives H plus. Acer protonate this. So the reason is there. So it's A. Coming on to your 28th question. Now what is 28? Out of two NH2 group, only one take part in chemical reaction. Semicarbazide has 2 NH2 group. This is 2. Out of which one is in resonance with the carbonyl group. It's correct, totally correct. So A. Now 29 assertion, benzoic acid does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Correct. No. It undergo benzoic. Wait a minute. Benzoic acid does not. Yes, correct. It's correct. I thought it's written benzoic acid undergo. Benzoic acid does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Correct. The carboxylic acid in benzoic acid donate electron. No, wrong. So C is the option. Okay. Now coming on to 30th. Assertion, ketones are more reactive than aldehyde towards nucleophilic addition reaction. The alkyl group in ketone increases the electron density on the carbon group through plus I fed group. So in this case, this is totally wrong because ketones are less reactive because of 2 alkyl group. Okay. 31. This is from your amine. A Hofmann analysis can be used to prepare pure primary amine. No, assertion is wrong. 32 is saying ki aniline is less basic than ammonia. Correct. Reason, the lone pair on nitrogen in aniline donate to in the benzene through resonance. Correct. So option is A because both are correct. Okay. Now 33. Tertiary amine have lower boiling point than corresponding to secondary primary amine. Correct. Tertiary amine have higher intermolecular hydrogen. No, because if intermolecular hydrogen bonding is high, then boiling point must be high. It is low. So only C. Now assertion 34, tertiary amine do not undergo acylation reaction, correct. There are no replaceable hydrogen atom, correct. Both are correct, so A. Next 35, carbylamine reaction cannot be used to test between aniline and methylamine, correct. Both aniline and methylamine are primary, both are correct, so A. 36, diacetylation of aniline should be done near 0 degrees Celsius. It's correct. Aniline is less reactive towards sodium nitrite at normal temperature. No, only assertion is correct, so answer will be C. Coming on to next 37. Aniline forms significant amount of meta derivative of nitration with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, correct. The ortho para position in aniline is electron rich due to the activating nature of NH2. Both are correct, but this is not the actual answer. Okay, the actual answer is in acidic media NH2 of aniline get protonate to form aniline amine, so it will be your B. Coming on to 38. Now for 38, the next option is assertion is aniline does not undergo Fedorkov reaction, correct. Being a Lewis base, aniline react with AlCl3 to form a salt, so both are correct. This is very important question, beta. Now next 39 question. Aniline cannot be prepared Gabry thalamide synthesis. Thalamide does not react with chlorobenzene due to large size of phenyl group. Now in case of 39, the assertion is correct but reason is totally wrong. Actually thalamide does not undergo the nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay, not because of bigger size. Nucleophilic substitution is not possible. Now assertion, because CCl bond is a double bond character, beta. Now 40th, acetylation of aniline enhance the activity, the tendency to undergo electrophilic substitution. Reason, acetylation reduces the activation of the benzene ring by the NH2 group since it can undergo resonance with both benzene ring and acetyl group. Now in this case you can see the assertion is totally wrong, that acetylation enhance, it decrease. Okay, now coming on to 41. The hydrolysis of sucrose, this is from biomolecular beta. The hydrolysis of sucrose to glucose and fructose is called inversion sugar, correct. The dextrorotary sucrose form a levorotary mixture, correct. So both are correct, so option will be A. Assertion, glycine is not optically active. Reason, there is no asymmetrical carbon in glycine to make it chiral. It is totally correct, so answer will be A. Coming on to 43. Assertion, vitamin C has to be continuously supplied through diet because it is water soluble. So it is water soluble, so answer is A. From biomolecule, basically difference, that is DNA RNA can become DNA RNA difference, your global fibrous protein, fat soluble, water soluble vitamins kind of difference can be asked. Okay, this can be asked but it's very less chance. Okay, now coming on to 44. Assertion, amino acid in protein remains intact even when it is denatured. The primary structure of protein is broken to give individual amino acid on denaturation. Now the assertion is correct but reason is not, because in primary there is primary structure of amine, there is long chain exists, okay, which cannot be converted into further long chain. Now 45. Assertion, despite having aldehyde group, aldehyde does not show shift test. Okay, the aldehyde group in glucose is used to form the ring structure of glucose. Both are correct, so A. Now coming on to 46. Assertion, non-essential amino acids are not necessary for protein synthesis. Now you can say this is non-essential or not necessary. Both are essential, so it is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Coming on to 47. Naturally occurring amino acid have L configuration, correct. Reason, the structure of naturally occurring amino acid have similarly with L glyceride. Both are correct, but B is not the correct explanation, so it is B. Now coming on to 48. Assertion, increased level of glucosan will improve the glucose content in blood, correct. Glucosan and insulin regulate the sugar level in the blood. Both are correct, but this is not the correct reason, so B. 49. Assertion, less intake of iodine in diet leads to enlargement of the thyroid gland. Okay, correct. And iodine deficiency lead to hyperthyroidism. Now in this case 49, the option will be C, because this is correct but this is totally wrong. Iodine deficiency does not lead to hyperthyroidism, it lead to hypothyroidism. Last 50th question. Assertion, The bond between adenine and thymine is stronger than the bond between cytosine and guanine. This is totally wrong. So D, because beta adenine form thymine, adenine form bond with thymine. Okay, cytosine and guanine does not form triple hydrogen bond. This is the assertion totally wrong. The bond between adenine and thymine is stronger than the bond. Both are same. Both are hydrogen bond. Okay. So this is your answer key. You can pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, you can pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, now see beta, only few things I want to say. Keep calm, stay focused, work hard and study hard. Okay, all the best for your exam. Any question, any doubt, do write it in the comment box. I'll definitely give you the answer. All the best. May God bless you.